Welcome to ADVUUT tips and tricks. Now we see how to disable Windows Update in Windows 10. At first we press in our keyboard Windows R. Windows R means run, open run, and type in this area gpedit edit.msc and press enter, and local group policy editor is open. This dialog box at first we click this option computer configuration, then we go to computer configuration, double click administrative templates, all setting, and now we find configure automatic updates, and the easy way is press C from keyboard, then we find configure Windows Update one by one. Configure Windows Update, configure Windows Update. Configure automatic update. Now we find configure automatic update. Here is the option configure automatic update. Double click, and this is the radio button, disable radio button. Click it, and press apply and OK. Now cancel this dialog box. Now our Windows is fully disabled in Windows Update. So be happy, and thanks for ADVUUT tips and tricks. Like, comment and share.